Palantir stock has been on a tear in 2025, soaring to astronomical levels. Investors want to know if this momentum will continue for Palantir stock for the next several years. I'll answer that question in this video by providing you my stock price target for Palantir shares by the end of 2027. That's where I think the share price will end up by the end of that year. I'll share with you precisely where I'm getting all the numbers and estimates to make this stock price prediction, so you can see for yourself whether you think my estimates are on point, too optimistic, or too pessimistic. I'll share with you all those numbers. You can tell yourself what you think about my figures. So without further ado, let's take a look at this stock price prediction for Palantir. So now that I have the inputs I need, I can share with you my price prediction scenario analysis framework here, where I've calculated 4 different scenarios for Palantir stock for the end of 2027, and I'm going to share with you each of those scenarios. So if Palantir's profits remain on track to hit $1.17 in earnings per share for 2027, and the price to earnings ratio remains at 520, the stock price could soar to $608 per share. However, that's in a scenario that I don't see as being very likely. So if their price to earnings declines to 300, the stock price will still more than double to $351 a share. If their PE falls to 200, the stock price will still rise, but to $234. If the PE were to decline to 150, the stock price will still rise, but only to $175. And I think Palantir stock investors would be disappointed if the price were to only increase by $18 over 2 years. So all that being said, where do I think Palantir share price ends the year in 2027? Remember, this is an end of year price prediction. I think it ends up somewhere between $175 per share and $200 per share. And the major limiting factor for the share price increase is going to be the valuation. It's already increased by so much, and it's already trading at such a premium valuation. I think that will limit the upside for Palantir in this time period. I think there will be some consolidating in the company's investor base, and I think there will be some investors taking profits and taking their shares, taking their money to other investments that can offer better upside compared to Palantir, which has already experienced so much growth. Click the link below to watch the full video.